Is Earth going to change the direction in which it rotates? It's not likely, but there are things that could stop Earth's rotation and get it moving in the other direction. The force from a collision with a body the size of the Moon or a small planet might be enough to overcome Earth's rotational inertia, depending on the angle and speed of the collision. Inertia is that property of matter where a body remains at rest or in uniform motion, in the same straight line unless acted upon by some external force. There are two numerical measures of the inertia of a body: its mass, which governs its resistance to the action of a force, and its moment of inertia about an axis, which measures its resistance to the action of a torque about the same axis. Earth's mass is 6.58 billion trillion tons, and the speed of Earth at the equator is 460 meters per second, about 1,000 miles per hour. This is a lot to overcome. The amount of force that would be needed to slow the planet's rotation and get it moving in the opposite direction is enormous, but a lot would depend on how much time it would take to do this. To get a sense of the force needed to stop Earth's rotation, know that 1,000 newtons is about the same amount of force that you would need to lift another adult. To stop the world in 1 second would take about 7×10^33, or 7 decillion, Newton meters of torque. A Newton meter is the torque produced by the force of 1 Newton applied perpendicularly to the end of a 1 meter long moment arm. Then it would take roughly the same amount of torque to bring the planet up to speed in the opposite direction. So, in the absence of a massive collision or the presence of some other equally strong force, Earth will go on rotating the way it does.